So hey developers, how are you? I might think that you are all good, and in this video let me tell you what we are going to do. We are going to do a special thing in this video. And what was it? Like, we are going to integrate quiz in our Framer website, and it's all without any cost. Means you don't have to buy any of the component, you don't have to buy any of the code. It's all free. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so make it subscribe and do a like to my video. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. We are on the dashboard of the quiz. So what we have to do, we want to integrate quiz in our Framer website. So we often need account on the quiz. So I already have made up, so you can make it by watching a YouTube video. Okay, and after that what we have to do to integrate in our Framer website. Let's see. Like, this is a project and it's a portfolio website. So what we have to do, simply go to a website, and I will connect these links in the description so you can get to the website connected. Okay, so this is a portfolio website, and so what we have to do now, there you can see there is a quiz integration code. So it will provided by me and the Blupry. As you can see here, this is a collaboration video with Blupry.io. And let me tell you what it's called and what they do. Like, who is Blupry.io? It's a Framer marketplace for Framer library for Framer users. Let me show you how it works for us. Yeah, we are on the dashboard of Blupry.io right now. So this is a Framer library for developers of Framer like you and me. And what we can do here, like, we can sell templates here, we can buy templates here, we can buy components, we can buy code override. So it's all about, we don't need to buy any of the hire, we don't have to hire any of the developer, any of the designer for now. So we can buy the templates from them, we can buy the code overrides from them. And if you want to buy any of the thing from Blupry.io, so you can use my code Creamer with Coffee to get a 10% exclusive discount. Okay, and they had a cool feature. Let me tell you what was it. Like, here you can see that charts utilizes UI UX. These all are the features. Like, if you want to integrate a page in your website, so simply you have to go to the page option. Like, we are going to add a chat box in our website right now. So what we have to do, simply go to the chat. Okay, and here you can see that here you can add live chat box at Framer with this component. Here you can see this is a Agora video call Framer, means you can integrate Agora in our Framer websites. And this is our quiz, and let me tell you, it's all free because of the CEO of Blupry.io. He reached to me, he said me to make a video for you and all of the Framer viewers. So it's all free and it's really thankful for them. So be grateful and please drop a comment for them. Okay, after that you can buy any other thing from here. Like that, you can simply click on one click buy and you can buy it. So if you want to buy any of the thing, so any of the components, so you can use my code Framer with Coffee to get a 10% exclusive discount. Okay, let me tell you how you can buy it. Simply one click buy on there, so you can get to the Stripe account. Okay, and if you want to buy from the platform, so you can go to the add to cart option and make it cart. After that, go to the checkout, and here is the thing that you need to do to buy it. Simply make your information fill out here, and here you can add my Framer with Coffee code to get a 10% exclusive discount. Okay, so yeah, let's get back to the video right now. So you can simply copy the code from here. Okay, simply copy it and get back to the Framer project. Now you have to make a code component here. Like, go into the assets of your project, not mine. Go into the assets, simply go to the code and make a new code file here. Okay, after that you can name it whatever you want, but it's a crisp video, so you can name it accordingly, it will be good. Like, it's crisp integration. Okay, and what you have to do now, you have to simply choose the component. Means we don't have to use code override, we have to use component here. Simply make it component and create it. After that, you have you do not have to do any of the thing here. Simply copy the code that we have copied from here. Simply paste it from here like this, and here you can get a your ID section, as you can see here. So what we have to do here, simply paste the ID from the quiz to this code to integrate them. Okay, so let me show you where you can find the crisp ID. Simply go to the quiz, go to the dashboard if you have already a website. Oh, sorry, if you already have account there. Okay, after that go to the settings here, and after that go to the workspace setting here. There you can see setup and integration. Simply go to that, and here is the token that we have to copy here. Simply copy it, go to the code, make it paste here, and save it. Okay, and go to the home, and here you can see there is a code file generated. Okay, and if you want to need to integrate this, simply make it drag in here, but I will tell you that it's not build it pre-build it. So I will go to my website and refresh it and go to the home page, and as you can see there is no more integration right now. Let's refresh it. Yeah, let's see where I have integrated. So firstly we will remove it, after that we will make it fix here. Let's see, I don't have integrated right now. Yeah, so let me tell you that I have not integrated any of the code. So let me show you that I have not integrated and it's not pre-built, so we can make it live. Okay, so as you can see there is no any of the chat box here. So after getting back to the framework, what you have to do here, simply go to the assets. Firstly go to the home page and go to the assets here, and simply drag the code into the framework website. Okay, simply drag it and just make the website publish here, and go to the same website, and now we can make it refresh. And I think here is the quiz code, as you can see here. Okay, so by following this process you can easily integrate the quiz in our framework website. And if you want to buy any of the thing from Blupry.io, so you can use my code framer with coffee to get a 10% exclusive discount. Okay,